Hi. Welcome to the Sola Cuffie channel. Thorough lab headphone testing. Good vision.
Ciao. Benvenuti sul canale Solo Cuffie. Test accurati di laboratorio sulle cuffie. Buona visione.
This test determines the regularity and linearity of the frequency response by listening. At the beginning there will be the comparison with pink noise, then with musical pieces. Listen and find the difference between the original reference sound and the sound of the headphone. The closer the headphone get to the original reference sound, the more linear and regular the headphone will be. At each step, the frequency response graph will be displayed.
Questo test determina la regolarità e la linearità della risposta in frequenza mediante l'ascolto. All'inizio vi sarà il confronto mediante rumore ROSA, poi con brani musicali. Ascolta e trova la differenza tra il suono originale di riferimento ed il suono della cuffia. Più la cuffia si avvicina al suono originale di riferimento, più la cuffia sarà lineare e regolare. Ad ogni passaggio sarà visualizzato il grafico della risposta in frequenza.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
This test measures the transient speed and relative irregularity to the DIRAC impulse response. Best way to test headphone speed and relative transient speed. All this determines the transparency and sharpness of the headphone. If the headphone impulse graph looks like to the reference DIRAC impulse, then the headphone will be fast, transparent and clear.
Questo test misura la velocità ai transienti e la relativa irregolarità alla risposta dell'impulso di DIRAC. Metodo migliore per testare la velocità delle cuffie e la relativa velocità dei transienti. Il tutto determina la trasparenza e la nitidezza della cuffia. Più il grafico dell'impulso della cuffia assomiglia all'impulso di DIRAC di riferimento, più la cuffia sarà veloce, nitida e trasparente.
Subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.
Grazie per la visione, iscrivetevi e attivate la campanella. Ciao!